Video.
Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Maano siya, babe? Masisira. Kailangan mo kita yung...
Pilisal ngayon ang nabidyohan.
Napakan kasi. Kasi nga mahahaba yung mga... Itali mo na lang kaya sa isaw dyan.
Bakit nasira? Saan si Perena? Perena!
Tagal mo! Yan.
Ready na ba ang ating mga candidates?
Saan si Perena? Hoy, Perena! Balik dito, tumulong ang mga
Sponsor from PNB. Magandang hapon po.
Magkanta muna, di ba? Pumasok ka sa kawan.
Sik.
Tayo muna. Ikaw naman. Sige na.
Palang salamin. Tingin nga ng salamin mo.
Ayan o.
Uy, nasa yung mga...
One big turn.
Guys, are you ready?
One big turn.
Ready lahat?
Ito mo ito.
Uy, nasa ba yung mga salamin?
Ikaw.
Ready na mga boobies.
Kaya sumaya.
Hindi ka asali sila no? Hindi ka asali no? Magbibigay ka lang ng corona no? Corona no?
Once again, here we have our lovely candidates for this evening gown.
Yun ang sunod dito, number 2. Number 2.
Wedding of the Year. Winner of singing contest of Baraki Got Talent. Winner of singing contest at Catanduanes Got Talent. She was a winner of singing contest of Dai Panayinis Norte Singing Video Author Challenge. She is also a winner of Winter Fashion Winter Mindset. In her advocacy, ang maipakita at mapatunayan sa sarili na hindi lang tayo isang hamak na OFW lamang, na meron tayong kakayahan at talento na nakikipaglaban na mabago ang takbo ng buhay. In her motto, Class 7 top in grade of 93. She studied at St. Ferdinand College and Catherine College Basic Secondary Education major in math. High school graduated in Isabela National High School, batch 2008. With an honor student. She is graduated in Elementary at Ilagan East Central School, batch 2002. She has a certificate awarded also Basic Computer Analytics, batch 2011 at TESDA NC2. And she is a former saleswoman in FJC Rice Mill and Grains. At top stop of a month and 2 years. Head stop of JZF Hardware in 5 years. A cashier in Zaymar Mall. In her motto, turn your rules succeeds, don't give revenge when someone hurt you. The best way to get revenge is to have them how to be success. In her advocacy, working as an overseas Filipino worker is a totally hard. Being afar away from your loved ones is stressful when working and studying abroad. You feel homesick, anxiety, and tired. Candidate number 3 is a single mom. Another one child. A single mom, one child, She is from the King City of South, Davao City, Philippines. A hotel and restaurant management, Holy Cross College of Sasa, Davao City. She is participate in workplace communication, work in a team environment, a practice career professionalism, occupational health and safety procedures, develop active industry and college, observe workplace hygiene procedure, perform workplace and safety practice, provide effective customer service, provide food and beverage service, develop and upgrade food and beverage knowledge. She is a graduated in secondary school in Pulong Muslim National High School at 2006. She is a graduated in Kiblawan Central Elementary School with an honors. She is a housekeeping at Pure Shine Bahrain since February 2025 until the present. She is also a Gaisano Mall of Davao, Musipina Well Avenue, Bahana, Davao City. She is also a sales associate at January to July 2008 in Gaisano Grand City Mall, Davao, Industry Street, Davao City. And her motto, ang buhay ay puno ng pagkabigo, kabiguan at pagtulong. Wala na sa mga bagay na iyon ang permanente makakapigil sa iyo. Nasa iyo ang kapangyarihan na malampasan ang anumang bagay na ibinabato sa iyo ng buhay. Walang kasing lakas ng isang ginagawang isip. Palibutan ng iyong sarili ng mga taong nagpapaalala sa iyo ng mahalaga ka at suportahan ka sa mga paraang pinapahalaga sa iyo. Walang tao o sitwasyon ang pangyayari ang makakapagtukoy kung sino ka. Huwag sumuko, huwag susuko o huminto sa paniniwalang posible. Hindi ka tapos hanggang hindi ka nananalo. In her advocacy, bumangon, tumayo, maindigan para sa iyong mga karapatan. Bumangon ka, huwag sumuko. Once again, our candidate number 3 is Julian Vergara.